Unleashing the power of AI. Boost your business with GPT. Intro. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence to discover how the latest AI chatbot, GPT, can help you boost your business and create profit. So, buckle up and let's get started. Background. If you've been living under a rock, you might not have heard about GPT, the latest and greatest AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. This bad boy is the real deal, with its incredible ability to understand, generate, and even translate human language. It's like having a super smart digital buddy who's always ready to chat. AI-powered customer service. First, let's talk customer service. You know how important it is to keep your customers happy, right? Well, with GPT, you can offer 24/7 support without breaking a sweat. This AI chatbot can handle all those repetitive, time-consuming tasks like answering FAQs or resolving basic issues, freeing up your team to focus on more important stuff. Plus, it's super quick and never needs a coffee break. Jack is a small business owner who sells eco-friendly products. After implementing GPT into his customer service, he saw a significant reduction in response times and a boost in customer satisfaction. Now, his team can spend more time on product development and marketing. Content creation. Next up, content creation. Need a witty blog post, a captivating social media caption, or an engaging email newsletter? GPT has got your back. Just give it a few keywords or a topic, and voila! It'll whip up some impressive content in no time. It's like having a personal copywriter on your team, but without the hefty price tag. My friend Jane, she also started using GPT for her content creation needs. Now, she's got a steady stream of fresh, engaging content for her social media channels, and her followers can't get enough. Automated marketing. Who doesn't love a good marketing campaign? GPT can help you optimize your marketing strategies with personalized, data-driven insights. Plus, it can even craft targeted email campaigns and social media ads that hit the sweet spot for your audience. John, an entrepreneur in the fitness industry, used GPT to fine-tune his marketing campaigns. By analyzing customer data, the AI helped him create tailored email campaigns that led to a 20% increase in conversion rates. Investment and financial advice. Last but not least, let's talk money. GPT can be your go-to financial guru, providing investment tips and personalized financial advice based on your goals and risk tolerance. It's like having a finance whiz right in your pocket. Sarah, a young professional, wanted to start investing but felt overwhelmed by all the options. She turned to GPT for guidance and, within a few weeks, developed a solid investment portfolio tailored to her needs. Now she's watching her money grow, thanks to her trusty AI sidekick. Language translation. GPT is an absolute champ when it comes to breaking down language barriers. Need a document translated or a multilingual website? No worries. GPT can quickly and accurately translate text between various languages, helping you reach a global audience with ease. Meet Lisa, who runs a travel blog. With GPT's help, she translated her content into multiple languages, attracting readers from around the world and boosting her site's traffic. Personal assistant. Say hello to your new AI-powered personal assistant. GPT can help you manage your schedule, set reminders, and even send follow-up emails for you. It's like having a super efficient secretary that's available 24/7. Tom, a busy entrepreneur, started using GPT to manage his hectic schedule. Now, he never misses a meeting, and his productivity has skyrocketed. Product descriptions. Want to make your products stand out in the e-commerce world? GPT can whip up some catchy, persuasive product descriptions that'll have your customers clicking "Add to Cart" in no time. Sophia, an online store owner, enlisted GPT to write product descriptions for her fashion items. The results? Increased sales and a whole lot of happy customers. Resume and cover letter writing. Job hunting can be a pain, but GPT is here to help. This AI can craft tailored resumes and cover letters that showcase your skills and experience, increasing your chances of landing that dream job. Kevin, a recent graduate, used GPT to create a standout resume and cover letter. Within a few weeks, he scored an interview and landed a fantastic job in his field. E-learning and tutoring. Struggling with a subject or need help preparing for an exam? GPT can act as a virtual tutor, providing personalized lessons, practice questions, and explanations to help you grasp even the most challenging concepts. Emma, a high school student, turned to GPT for help with her math homework. The AI's easy-to-understand explanations and practice problems helped her ace her next test. Conclusion. Although GPT is incredibly powerful, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. To get the best results, spend some time training the model to understand your specific business needs and preferences. While GPT can generate some seriously impressive content, it's essential to keep an eye on its output. Don't be afraid to make tweaks and adjustments to ensure the AI-generated content aligns with your brand and messaging. Don't limit GPT to just the applications we've mentioned. Think outside the box and explore new ways to leverage this AI powerhouse to enhance your business even further. The possibilities are endless. Alright, that's all for now. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, the future is here, and GPT is ready to help you take your business to new heights. So go ahead, take the plunge, and let AI transform your world. Alright, folks. That's a wrap on how GPT can revolutionize your business and generate profit. This cutting-edge AI chatbot is changing the game, and it's time for you to jump on the bandwagon. So, what are you waiting for? Give GPT a try and watch your business soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. If you have any questions or success stories with GPT, leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. In the next video, I will analyze in detail the scenarios where GPT can be used. Catch you in the next video, and until then, keep hustling and stay awesome.